Case 17 is a 40-year-old male with an acute severe headache. Here you have some images from a CT through the head. Just scroll through these images a little bit for you. Stop here. So the patient had a CT angiogram and an MR, which I'm not showing here, but they were normal. So your question is, what is the name of the most likely syndrome here? You're essentially naming the diagnosis. Your second question is, compared to aneurysmal subarachnoid hemorrhage, the prognosis is better, worse, or the same. This is a disease known as benign perimesencephalic subarachnoid hemorrhage. It's a hemorrhage of unknown cause in which the blood is centered surrounding the midbrain and anterior to the pons. Sometimes you can get hemorrhage around the posterior cerebral hemispheres as well. Compared to aneurysmal subarachnoid hemorrhage, the patients are younger, they're more likely to be male, and they're less likely to be smokers. Overall, the prognosis is much better. Here you can see there's an arrow that I've put anterior to the pons here. You can see a lot of blood there. This is the classic location for perimesencephalic hemorrhage. And then, as I already said, compared to aneurysmal subarachnoid hemorrhage, the prognosis is better. For these patients, their MR, CT angiogram, that is, need to be normal.